Want to work on designs with your team in real time? Figma is built for collaboration, allowing multiple people to edit, comment, review, and prototype together from anywhere. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Figma account and open an existing design file or create a new one that you'd like to collaborate on. Make sure the file is saved before inviting other people. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter your teammates' email addresses, then choose the appropriate permissions before sending the invitation. You can also copy the shareable link and send them. You can allow people to view or edit the file depending on your project. Once your teammates join the file, everyone can work together at the same time. You'll see each collaborator's cursor move around the canvas as changes are made live. Real-time collaboration helps your team make decisions much faster. Use the comment tool to leave feedback, ask questions, or tag teammates by typing the @ symbol followed by their name. Take a moment to resolve completed comments so your project stays organized. If you ever need to review previous changes, open the version history to see earlier versions of the file and restore them if necessary. A version history is especially useful when working on large team projects. After completing your work, preview your design, share the latest version with your team, and continue collecting feedback until the project is ready. So you've successfully learned how to collaborate in Figma, and that's how to collaborate in Figma. From real-time editing and comments to version history and file sharing, Figma makes it easy for teams to work together from anywhere. The more you use these collaboration features, the smoother and more efficient your design workflow will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.